Anytime I call your name, you dey answer me. So I trust your ways. You are full of grace. Mighty are your ways.
For me, I know they want because you gave my side. I know they ever fear because you gave my side. So me, I know they want because you gave my side. I know they ever fear because you gave my side.
Every single day, you keep guiding me, showing me the way, the way you look after me.
Few meters in the water, with the waves pulling me deeper and deeper below. The ocean's getting louder, and the air's escaping as I hear the billows roll. I hear, how did I end up here? I don't feel stuck cause you're home. You keep me from falling. Storms raging, no matter cause I know that you're with me. I'm hidden under the wings of your spirit. In you there is no fear. Only faith lives in here. Lord, in your secret place I dwell. You're the reason why I'm alive today. Lord, I owe it all to you. There are times I never thought I'd see the light of day, but you came to my rescue. You're the reason why I am alive. There would be no me without you. You're the reason why I'm alive. I know I can count on you. You made me just like you. Every step I take in your shoes. That is why I know feet tire. I know feet retire. Apple of your eye, best of your design. Yeah. For your purpose, yes, you created me. For your purpose, that is why I exist. Wonderfully, beautifully made. Wonderfully, in your holy image. Wonderfully, Lord, my life you separate for your glory. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Makes me complete. Makes me complete. Makes me
Yo, chat, what's up, chat? Good morning. What's up, gang? How you guys doing? What's up, everybody? What's up, James? Chat, drop the energies in the chat, gang. Let's go. Drop the energies in the chat. Come on.
Keep second guessing myself when you put me on the spot that I dwell. Made your image on my bone. Let me hear you say bone. Not by might, by your power in my life. Spirit is leading, spirit is breathing, moving on my mind. Wonderfully, beautifully made. Wonderfully, in your image. Wonderfully, Lord, my life you separate for your glory. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Spirit in me makes me complete. Makes me complete. Makes me complete. Makes me complete. Spirit in me makes me complete. 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 I can go the distance with your assistance. I know I can, I know I can. I know I can, I can. I can go the distance with your assistance. I know I can, I know I can. I know I can, I know I can. Heavy laden, come with all your burden. Come and I will give you rest, yeah. I'll take all the suffering. Come, my yoke is easy. This is greener pastures right here.
Yeah. First giving honor to God,
To Miss Carol, who had first brought me and my moms. To the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah, with judgment coming from all angles. I never defend myself for approval from strangers. When they don't give a damn about my kids. Since you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open. Just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins. Who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad. Cause growing up, he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and it was the father I never had. So when I say like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push it, still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, H, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain. And any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Nora, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped fool. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out. Blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno, too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swang through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout. So you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer, too. And last but definitely not least, you gotta pray for all my kids, Kai, Connor, Cody. Most definitely gotta pray for the apple of my eye, the love of my life, Brittany. And BB McFarland, the newest addition to the family. And even if I ain't say your name, you know what's up with me. I pray to God direct my steps on this path I'm going. Give me peace of mind so that I stay focused. Give me discipline so that I keep going. To the gym even when results ain't showing. Lord, give me the faith I need to move mountains. Give me financial freedom, know that there's no accountant that's more able than you. There's no problems on this earth greater than you. And if it's your will, then let me do everything that I was created to do. Help me change lives, like you changed minds, like you changed moms. How could I forget how you made a millionaire out of 15 cents? With $1 in a dream, wasn't always what it seemed. Sometimes I couldn't see, but I still believed. And then you made it real, you gave me everything I need. And all I had to have was the faith of a mustard seed. So the point of this album is to have faith. No matter what field of work you in, no matter what you're doing in life, have faith in it and believe in it at all times. And especially having God in your life first. Because in a world full of the devil doing God knows what, as long as you keep God first, you'll be.
Yeah, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Ay, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Hey, wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, then I'm gone. Go outside and put my bare feet on the lawn. I used to be sour, now I'm sweet, Cinnabon. Way you judging me, you judge yourself, ooh, that's wrong. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love, no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Hey, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Hey, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Enough today. And if God made you enough, don't settle for lesser. If you feeling stuck, don't forget you are his best word. Better than the trees.
Alright, gang. What's up, Chad? What's up? What's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? Shout out to 11 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Oh. All right, let me do the top-down analysis here. All right, let's start with the daily time frame. So the daily time frame, we got wicks, rejection wicks, I'd say here. This one, but still on price, as you can see, the previous resistance is here. We're still on the all-time highs here. We don't have any datas on the left, right? As you can see, we don't have any datas on the left. And right now, we just open up a new candle, a daily candle, as you can see, right? I'm still bullish here on price. I'm still bullish, heavy bullish on price, but this weekly candle has no bottom wick. We got some gaps too that we need to be filled, right? So daily, we move how many pips? We just move 280 pips just for half in a day. Okay, so for our time frame, the 4 hour, we have a market structure now. We have resistance. We have a support. And as you can see, this previous candle low, we rebroke the previous candle low here. And we have clean traffic towards to the downside. As you can see, this is the clean traffic. So it's really interesting here because we have a clean traffic towards to the down. It's a 4 hour time frame. Let's drop down to the hourly time frame. So the hourly it looks the same. Resistance form. We got a minor levels here. All right, we have levels here too. But this is the overall range on the hourly time frame. We have I'd say 500 pip range towards to the upside, towards to the downside. But as you can see, we got some, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. We have support. So there is too many like support and resistance that we need to be aware of when the price stops. As you can see how the price react here on the support level. This candle how react, make a new low and then react. And let's see how this hourly candle we're gonna close, right? Probably gonna close bearish or bullish, but still respecting these support levels on 4583 area. So that's the hourly 30 minutes time frame. So as you can see, the 30 minutes time frame here, we tap the support levels and we see some reactions, right? And as you can see, 3 minutes for candle to close. Let's see what will happen. 15. Yeah. So I'm gonna use 15. It's gonna be a clean traffic. Three minutes for candle to close. Still have range to move up. 160 pip range. Let's see if we're gonna move up. For 2 minutes and 30 seconds here. Ooh, 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 ooh. 2 minutes for candle to close. Let's see. I'm gonna close bullish or just stuck in a range. Closing bearish. No top wick. No top wick. What's up, Taruns? Possible reversal? Yeah, because this is the price when we tap, we have reversal. So as you can see, we tap this, we might see some, continuation to move up once again here. 44 seconds. Let's see. It's gonna be a nice idea. Oh, 15 minutes candle flip. Holy. $20 seconds here, gang. 20 seconds. All right, candle close. Let's see, man. Oh, we broke the previous candle high. Nice. Damn, this is not a good idea for impulse for me. No bottom wick. No bottom wick yet. No bottom wick yet. But rebroke the previous candle high too on the 30. But I need to be aware of no bottom wick candle. Yeah. Let's see if we're gonna move up. Do 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 do. Reversal again on the 50, or just gonna make a week. Um, so for this candle, I'm planning to take some buys, but I don't like how the 30 minutes candle close. Should be I'm planning to take buys when the candle close like this. It's like it's a good body candle with the top wick. It's gonna look like that, and then I'm gonna wait for the bottom wick and then flip. That's gonna be an entry here probably. And the stop loss, I'm gonna use this, the current candle low, because probably if you're gonna use this is 70 pip. I can use 70 pip. I can lower my risk there, but if I wanna be aggressive, I probably gonna use the support level right here as a stops. But right now, this 30 minutes there's this 30 minutes candle close is just a small body for me. I don't like how the way it close. Should be like this. Should be like this. If you wanna take some buys, good body candle. Right? See, would look at that how the candles react once it kind of rebroke the lows. Because the higher time frame is still bearish, the hourly candle is still bearish, as you can see. Right? So hourly candles are reacting here. The volume is kind of slow today because we have a CPI later tonight. So yeah, we have CPI here, 5:30 p.m. Dubai time. So you guys need to be aware of. 7 p.m. there is news to orange folder. But 6:30 is an NYSE. So yeah. Let's see. We might see some corrections probably. We might see some pullbacks here. Like a small pullbacks. Then move up again. But let's see. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Drop it in the chat. And if you are new to the channel, make sure drop a like, subs to the channel, share it. Oh, volume is kind of slow today. Damn. Ranging today. Mhm. Wow. Volume, volume. Volume is kind of slow today, gang. Boom, 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 boom. Mhm. Damn. Mhm. If this 30 rebroke this, hey, it will move down. It will move down. it will move down. Volume is kind of slow today, gang. So if you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Volume is kind of slow. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, we rebroke the lows now. 30 minutes, rebroke the lows. Holy. Damn. Would you look at that? We got some sales here today, chat. Volume is kind of slow today. Holy. Four, 5, 6, 9. Yeah, 4, 5, 6, 9 is here, right? Yeah, I mean possible because this is a demand zone. And that's possible. But yeah, it's aggressive. But it's a demand zone. This is a reaction zone, by the way. It's a reaction zone. But in this case, I'm not gonna buy yet. When the candles are bleeding, when the candles are printing like this, when the candles are moving down, I'm not gonna buy when the candles are bleeding. I need to wait for the candle to close bullish and entering a buy. Because you cannot take buys when the candles are red, right? And you cannot take sell when the candles are blue, when the candles are green. So technically, you need to wait for the candles to form first and then take a trade. But if Helix told you that 4, 5, 6, 9 is good for buy, yeah, take the buy. And if your strategy tells you that taking buy right now it's a good idea, take buy. Yeah, in this game, patience is the key. Discipline is the key because if you don't have patience, you don't have discipline, you're not gonna make it. You're not gonna make. If your mindset every day wants to make money, you're not gonna make it, right? Because for me, gang, enable for me to become profitable, my mindset, I remove the money, right? I remove the money on myself, and then trying to become the best version of myself every single day by following my rules, by following the plan, not chasing the money. And eventually you're going through that step by step, slowly. You're gonna find yourself there, by following your plan, being disciplined every single day. You show up every single day, even you don't feel like it, you show up. Because if you're gonna chase the profit every single day, man, one big, if you're one big else gonna wipe out all of your account. One small decision gonna wipe up all the accounts. Because you haven't built skill yet. By chasing profit, you haven't built skill. You chase the dopamine, you chase the here and there, you chase your mind. Oh, I want to take buy here right now because I see some form of the candles. The question, are you following your rules? Are you following the plan that you have? It's the same thing how the athletes work, how the athletes do. They're doing the same thing every single day. So apply that into trading. You're doing the same thing every single day. You're gonna improve a lot, especially on the patience, especially on the discipline. What are my rules? Planet coach and trading. My rules is 1 to 2 trades a day. Okay, if I didn't see any setup, I'm not gonna take trades. I'm not gonna touch anything on the chart. Robbie B, bro, you stop streaming. Oh, I just because of some rules and regulations here in Dubai. That's why. But right now I'm back. We're back. So if you wanna have some rules and plan, it's all start with the routine, right? Start with the routine every single day. If you're waking up 8 o'clock in the morning, 9, 10 o'clock, just wake up around that time. And before you hop onto the chart, you need to clear your mind. I always clear my mind. Clearing your mind before hop onto the chart, it will refresh your mind. Oh, I need to take this kind of setup. Because if you're decision making, because you're gonna, right, you're gonna make money by your own decision. It's just a practice every single day, and then you're gonna see results. There's always a results, gang. All right, don't worry about results. There's always a results. You just need to put a work. Don't be scared to lose, because in trading, lose is a part of a game. Lose is a part of a game. You need to be a good loser. You need to be a good loser. Eric, how you doing? How you doing, gang? You got the trade already? You got some sells. You got some buys. I know you guys are a sniper. You snipe. Volume is kind of slow today, gang. Overall move 300 pip move. Oh, it's just 286 pip move. Nothing here because of CPI today. CPI. Yeah, London open yesterday. London, nothing. Asian session is good. Yeah, me too. I haven't take trades. I took trades Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. All right, we're breaking up the range. Damn. Shout out to 22 viewers right now. How you guys doing? If you're new to the channel, make sure you subs to the channel, like the stream, share it. If you have any questions, let me know in the chat. All right, volume. 6 minutes for candle to close. Oh, 15 minutes candle gonna close above. I'll report 8 pip range to move up. Hello, question lang po. What are swing highs and lows? Is the same po with higher highs, higher lows? Yes, the swing low is the same with higher highs and higher lows. So, for example, you're gonna look for a swing. This is gonna be the swing low, right? Where the price hit the lows. Okay, like this. And swing high is probably like this here. And the new highs is here. Lows is kind of lower highs and lower lows, higher highs and higher lows. What's up, Reese? How you doing? 1 minute for candle to close. Man, we close, but we overextend. The candles are overextend here, gang. 120 pip move. Yeah. Close above the range, man. Damn. Possible weak fill. Yeah, possible weak fill, but the 15 minutes candle are overextend. Let's see. Weak fills, but the stop loss. 32 pip. Let's see if we're gonna flip bullish. So in this case, I wanna see this flip bullish. Sorry. I wanna see this flip bullish and reacts here and then go back bearish. And once the candle flip bullish again, I'm gonna put a buy stop here to have a wick fill. Let's see. We need to wait for the flip rebroke current candle high and then react. Then go re-break the low, because the second chance you rebroke the high, that's gonna be a valid to make a wick fill. So let's see. Let's see, man. Flip bullish? Not yet, not yet. We need to see flip bullish and then go back before we're gonna put the buy stop. Flip it. Come on. Come on, flip. Come on, flip it, flip it. All right. Now we need to wait for this candle to rebroke the lows, and then we're gonna make a buy stop. I don't wanna take buys here right now because we have a overextend candle, as you can see. Overextends crazy. Probably gonna wait for 9 minutes for the 30 minutes candle close. This early candle can react once you reach here. React heavy and flip bearish. Damn. Move up. If you guys got the buys here, you are 23 pips in profit now. You guys took the buys probably on this support level, resistance level. You are in 48 profits now, 48 pips profit. And if you guys took the flip, you guys 23 pips in profit, man. W. You didn't take the buy yet. Yeah, me too. I'm gonna wait. Gonna wait. Gonna wait for candles to close. So this is the problem when the candles are overextend, okay? So we have a range. You see the range, and then the candles are overextend like this, and then it leave a wick fill probably like this. So for me, there is a high chance that the next candle will react and then move down like this. Because you overextend, you move 120 pip move, and the 30 is still open. As you can see, the 30 minutes time frame still open, and it moved 120 20 pips already, right? And then we are using 15. So this 15 minutes candle has no business to move up once again if the candles are overextend. If the candles move a lot, right? If there is a news, there is a high chance. I'm muted? I think no, I'm not muted. Check. You guys hear me? Oh, not muted. Yeah. So yeah, that's the problem with overextend candle. But if this candle close probably like this, um, close like this, yeah, I'm gonna take a buy on the next probably 15 minutes candle to move up. If the candles move around 50 pips, 60 pips, yeah, that's gonna be nice. That's gonna be an interesting candle. Like this closure. Yeah, that's gonna be nice to move up. So that's the difference between the breakout. This is a this is kind of breakout because you're breaking out the range. But the problem here is the overextend candle. It's not gonna look good when the candles are overextend. There is a high chance that this candle can hover around here on price and move down pretty heavy. Back in the range and move down now. Because you have a bearish kind of high here, kind of low, and now you're creating a new high here and then move down. It's kind of lower highs and lower low confirmation. On my point, I hear you. On my screen, different story. uh, no buenos, yeah, man. No buenos. 5 minutes for candle to close. Let's see. Oh, moving up. Holy. Moving up. Rebreak the high. Damn, 4 hour flip. 4 hour flip. Yeah, I did wick fill. Yeah, nice. If you got buys here on the flip, 44 pips. Wick fill. Very nice. Was very nice. Should we buy? No, not yet. For me, no buying. Don't like the price action today. 4 hour flip. 4 hour flip. Mm-hmm. 'Ooh. Damn. Only gold. 4 hour wick fill now. Holy. 4 hour wick fill. It's gone. True that. It's gone. It's gone. Gunner. Let's see, we have a clean traffic now. Towards the downside, we just need to wait for resistance form. A new resistance could be 5 minutes. Damn, bullish. No Venos today, gang. Give me a second, gang. Give me a second. 2 minutes, gang. 2 minutes. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Make sure drop a like, subs to the channel if you are new to the channel. Let's go. Let's see how this 15 close. This is the last 15 on the hourly candles. If this 15 form like this, yeah, we're gonna take some potentials. Potentials. Do, 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 do. 10 minutes for candle to close. Dang, probably gonna close bearish, huh? We're probably gonna close bearish. .7 minutes, gang. 7 minutes. So it looks interesting here. Looks interesting. 34 pip stops if this candle gonna close bearish. Come on. 6 minutes, gang. 6 minutes. Let's see if we're gonna move. Six minutes. Four minutes for candle to close, gang. Let's go. Locked in here. Locked in here. Gonna be an interesting here. Interesting. 4 hour. Oh, okay. 4 hours should flip bearish once again here. The advantage here, I'm gonna look for this because we rebroke the previous candle low. And you know that once you rebroke the low, should move down. And if this hourly candle wants to wick fill, we're expecting a bottom wick. Sell here is good. Three minutes, gang. 3 minutes. Let's go. Three minutes for candle to close. Doo-doo. Damn gold. We need a bottom wick, okay? We need a bottom wick. Goldie, we need a bottom wick. Create a bottom wick, Goldie. All right, 1 minute here. Let's go. Locked in here, chat. Oh, we got 111 pip advantage. 40 pip stops. Oh, it's gonna look interesting here. Oh, why you're closing Doji, man? Don't close Doji. Gold, don't close Doji gold. All right. All right, on the broker is good. Sell stop on the rebreak of the low here. Let's see if we're gonna be activated here. We're expecting bottom wick on the hourly candle. So expecting this to rebroke the lows. If this candle, 15 minutes candle rebroke the high, I might cancel the sell stop. $40 pip stops here if we're gonna be activated. Can we rebroke the lows and move down heavy? All right. Can we activate here? All right, I'm activated on sells here, gang. Activated on sells here. Stops gonna be up here. 41 pip stops. All right. Nice. Cool. All right, chat. Closing full right here at 14 pips. Double is in the chat. That's a quick one. 14 pips. Holy. W, gang. 14 pips. Just a 14 pips to end the stream today. If you guys still holding the trade, you can manage your risk now. You can move the stops to break even. 96 wins. Nice. Yes, sir. Who's still holding the trade, chat? Let me know in the chat. Got stop at BE? Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, that's probably a quick trade. A quick one for you guys. All right, gang. If you guys got the W's in the chat, you guys got the trades, got some W's in the chat. I call it the stream here. Thank you guys for tuning into the live stream. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Peace and love, everybody. W's all the way out. Let's go. Peace, peace, peace. I'm out here.
Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much, I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion.